Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Little Wings. To begin, let's focus on the foundational chords. You'll need to master E minor, a minor, D major, and G major. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four essential chords until it feels natural and effortless. Pay close attention to your strumming, aiming for a clear and consistent rhythm from the very start. This solid base is crucial for building your performance and enjoying the song. Next, let's dive into the strumming pattern and rhythm, which are vital for capturing the song's feel. The primary pattern is down, down, up, down, up. Practice this repeatedly until it becomes second nature. Aim for a steady tempo of around 100 beats per minute. Remember to use a light touch. This creates a gentle, flowing sound that truly brings the music to life. Consistency is key here. Now, let's break down the song's structure. Little Wings typically follows a verse-chorus, bridge-chorus arrangement. It's important to recognize where each section begins and ends. Pay close attention to the specific chord changes that mark the start of each new part. Practice playing through the entire progression, from the very first note to the last, to build your confidence and flow. Finally, here are some essential tips for practice and performance. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to practice. This consistent effort builds crucial muscle memory. Try recording yourself playing. Listening back can reveal areas where you can improve your technique or timing. Also, playing along with the original recording is an excellent way to refine your rhythm and overall feel for the song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.